music of the eyes. I am sad. In Sims, you know, what is the one thing everybody likes to do in Sims? It's make your Sims paint. And I have Sims that I made paint a lot. And so I want to paint. I have a wide variety of paints. Acrylic, watercolor, other acrylic, oil paint. I have a lot of paint. So for this video, I'm currently working with 2 plastic spoons, a plastic fork, and some unbroken chopsticks. Yeah, let's do this. First, I'm gonna do a small one. I think I'm gonna do acrylic pour first. Oh, I heard you're supposed to thin it, but I don't know how to thin it. I'm guessing with water. It's kind of looking right. Oh. Ooh, that's working nice. That's working really nice. Okay, we got our base, right? And so now I just gotta pour, I think. Ooh. I just tilt it, I think. Ooh. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's fun. That's fun. Yeah, that's one painting done. Ooh, it's very separated. This just looks like Dijon mustard. Light green. I hate this. I hate this so much. What if I just mix it, I guess? Oh. Oh, it's not getting better. Why not just straight in the center? You know? Ooh, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It legitimately smells like banana. I don't know why it smells like banana. This is so bad. This is actually so bad. I guess it's kind of textural. Oh, it already started dripping. It's kind of like raindrops. I still don't like this. I almost like it just like this. Oh, that seems right. I'm gonna take this fork and I think I'm just gonna first I'm gonna spread it out. Wow. Whoa, this already looks really cool. And then now I'm gonna take this fork and I'm just gonna go like a latte artist. Yes! I don't want to mess this up. I'm gonna stop at that. Next painting. I don't like this anymore. I'm not happy with where I'm at right now. It's not good, but I mean, what even is good, you know? And then you're just supposed to pull. Wow, that's so pretty. Confidence is key. Oh, I ruined it! No! That looks so bad. Oh. It's just becoming blue now. It's just textured. There's no... Okay, well, yeah. I don't know how to end this video.